Welcome to another episode of J Ride Customs. Welcome to the channel.
Hi guys, this is a video about my first COE I built, and it was exciting. COEs were all the rage. I didn't have any videos really. I had one of the truck running, but it's really poor. I'll put that in the video as well of it running. The first time I got to drive it out of the shop. So I'm just gonna tell you a few things about it. I picked up the truck up in Dauphin, Manitoba. That was a trip in itself. It was the whole truck, frame and everything. It used to be an old Eaton's truck. So I managed to get it home, and I scored a Chevy 1988 one-ton crew cab long box with a 350 in it, and it was still carbureted. So that's the chassis that I used for that project. And I mounted the engine underneath the deck on that one, just to make it different, just to make it cool. And in one of the pictures you'll see on top of the deck, it's like that. Those are my coolant lines, because I still had the radiator in the front, but the motor was in the back. I had to stretch everything, the hydro boost, power steering lines. I had to stretch those things. The exhaust was really short though, as you can see in the pictures. And what else should I tell you? I put a lot of sound deadener in that one because it was one hell of a rattle box. But once I did that, it was just a totally different truck. I could actually talk to the girlfriend beside me, so it was a good thing. It was a good thing. I won a couple of awards with it. Yeah, it was a cool project, and it got me hooked on COEs. Big time. So I still have a few more here to build. I know they're not as popular anymore, but I still think they're cool. And I'm going to definitely build one or two more before my time is up. So I hope you're around to watch me build these trucks. I got a few ideas going on in the head, and yeah. As you can see, I got a couple behind me here. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. So if you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment. I'm always eager to answer questions. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends. I'm sorry about it's mostly just pictures. I don't have much video of that project, but I just want to show you. It's something that you build, right, and you're proud of. So I hope you enjoy it. Peace out.